In this GOC, again we are going to talk about some very good concept, that is tautomerism. What is that one? Tautomerism. Tautomerism. In this one, keto-enol tautomerism and keto-enol tautomerism, that is open chain tautomerism, ring chain tautomerism, both are there. Here, what I am going to talk is keto-enol tautomerism. Keto, in this one only, keto-enol. Keto group is, what is that? This group is keto. En means double bond. Ol means OH group. So these are things. There is a interconversion between keto form to en and ol form. For this one, I am going to take one example here. See, keto form. What is that? The best example, well-known example is acetone. We know that. Acetone. What is that? How can I take CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is keto group here. This is a keto group and this is a functional group. Functional group, next carbon is, this carbon is, what is that? Alpha carbon. And these hydrogens are alpha hydrogen. How many alpha hydrogens are there? 3 alpha hydrogens are. This side, this is also alpha carbon. This is also alpha carbon. How many alpha hydrogens are there? Here also 3 alpha hydrogens are there. Overall alpha hydrogens are 6 are there. Okay. Here what is my point is, there is interconversion between these two. This alpha hydrogen, either this hydrogen or this hydrogen. This hydrogen is going to migrate from here to here, where alpha carbon to the oxygen in a carbonyl group. That one only I am writing separately. CH3, C. One like that I am writing CH2, H I am writing for my convenience. See how I am going to break it. Here, this double bond I am going to break. How I am going to get O minus C plus. That means bond is shifting this side, O minus C plus. For understanding I am writing minus and plus. Here plus is there, means what charge has to form here? Minus charge. This bond, this CH bond is going to shift this side. That CH bond is going to shift this, so that I am writing minus charge here by breaking the bond. Bond electron is shifting this side. This will be plus. After that, what is going to form? This H plus and O minus both are going to combine. This plus and this minus giving a new bond. This one I am writing here. Check it out. CH3, C minus and plus double bond O. No. This minus and this plus H, and this plus and this minus, what is coming? CH. Here what is there? Keto group is there here. Here En. En means double bond. Ol means OH. So keto form to enol form. Keto form to enol form. How it is going to happen? Only by shifting of H plus. H plus jumping from here to here. That's it. From here after blindly we can shift. Where is alpha carbon? Next to the keto group. Alpha carbon, alpha hydrogen shifting to the oxygen. From which side hydrogen is jumping? That side double bond. From which side hydrogen is jumping? That side double bond. Like that we can write. In a similar, this is one example. No. Similarly, I can take other one. What I can take? This one ring. See, double bond O, CH3. Here is a fair ring. Any hydrogen is there here? Here, this is also alpha carbon. This is also alpha carbon. But here, how many alpha hydrogens are there? 0 alpha hydrogens. 0 alpha hydrogens. 0 hydrogens. This side, this is also alpha carbon. How many alpha hydrogens? So that 3 alpha hydrogens are there. So here it is a possible. Here there is a possibility. What is the possibility here? See, I am writing. Here like this. Here, what I am telling? From which side hydrogen is jumping? That side double bond you are going to arrange. Alpha carbon, alpha hydrogen is going to jump from alpha carbon to the oxygen. From which side it is going to jump? That side double bond is coming. Already we learned that this side coming CH2. Here what is there? OH is there. The keto form. The en-ol form. So this is a conversion. So that what we can say, this keto-enol tautomerism, these two are in dynamic equilibrium. These two are Keto and enol form in dynamic equilibrium. Here there is a transfer of what is that? Transfer of what is that? H plus from where? From alpha carbon to the oxygen of what is that? Keto group. So theory question will come here. Like this, you will understand. Now come here. Okay, generally keto enol form you are going to study. Keto form is there, enol form is there. Two forms you are going to get, two forms you are going to get. After that, there is a concept of stability. What is the concept here? Stability. Listen here. Here there is a question. This is our concept. Stability. I am taking this one. Here also K2 group is there, alpha carbon is there, alpha carbon is there, alpha hydrogens are there, alpha hydrogens are there. There is a possibility of which form? Enol form. If this alpha hydrogen is jumping here to here means one enol form I will get. If this alpha hydrogen is going to jump here to here means I will get other enol form. So that two enol forms I am going to get. I will write one of the enol form. I am not going to disturb the overall structure. This hydrogen is moving so that what I am writing? One hydrogen is moving, one hydrogen jumping here now. So double bond C OH remaining and all this hydrogen I am not going to disturb. Only this alpha hydrogen only shifting here to here. I am writing from which side it is shifting, double bond arrange. Okay, I am giving a name 1 for this one, name 2 for this one. Other enol form. What is that? This side, this time this hydrogen is going to shift. Okay, right? As it is, all this ring will be there as it is. After that, this is not going to touch this one. This hydrogen is jumping so that OH from which side is jumping? That side and double bond. This side, okay. CH3. This is I am going to give a number 3. 1, 2, 3. Three forms are there. What is this form? This is a enol form. Enol form. This is also enol form. This is only keto form. So out of this, which can be stable one? Generally, without these concepts and all, generally keto form is more stable. Keto. Why it is more stable here? Key double bond will be there. It is more stable than which form? Enol form. Here input double bond C double bond C is there. Then the C double bond C. So that enol form. This is general statement. Generally keto form is a stable most of the cases. In which cases enol form is going to stable? This is our question. In which cases enol form is going to be stable? Which cases? I have a keto form, I have a enol form, I have a other enol form. You check it out. Whenever this double bond is in conjugation with the pi bond system, it is a pi bond. Benzene is there, it is pi bond. So there is a possibility to get a resonance with this one. So that they can form here to here, here to here. All these can participate in the resonance. Whenever C double bond C attached to multiple bond system, otherwise phenyl ring, any conjugated system, at that time it will be stable. And now this one you see, here double bond is there, but this side only methyl group is there. Here there is no conjugated system. In this general statement, keto group is more stable than enol form. But here is enol form. Which form? First enol form is going to stable. Which stability order we are going to write? This stability order. What is coming first one? One is coming first. Then as usually keto. 2 is coming. As usually 3 is coming. This is my order. You have to observe here. Keto is not a first one. Enol only first one here due to the conjugation with the phenol ring. Double bond is in conjugation with the phenol ring. This is giving more stability. That stability dominates the stability of keto group. That is why this order is important for me. And now, other one. This also you can take. What is this? Methyl CH2C double bond. What is the methyl group is? What you can write? CH3. I have very clearly. C double bond O. CO again. CH2 again. C double bond O. This side CH3. Here what is there? Here also this is my keto group. This is my keto group. How many alpha hydrogens are there? Here alpha hydrogens are there. Here alpha hydrogens are there. Here also alpha hydrogens are there. So by moving this one, I will get one format. By removing this format, I will get one format. By removing this one, I will get one format. This one and this one removing means similar structures only coming. See, CH2, this side CH2, right side C double bond O CH3. CH2, right side C double bond O CH3. CH2, left side is CH3 C double bond O. So similar groups are there, so that this alpha hydrogen, this alpha hydrogens are identical hydrogens, identical structures will come. So I have two structures. What are the structures? Two formats I can write. What are the two formats I will write? By removing this. By removing this I will write CH3 C. I am not going to touch this one. C. This had jumping here. Double bond C OH. This side is going to jump here. This side is jumping. This side also similar structure only will come. No more things. After that, other thing. Okay, if this structure, other this alpha is otherwise this one, and what going to happen? See that CH3 double bond O. This I didn't touch now. This I am not going to touch. Where is this one? What I am going to do here? I am going to. This one is going to jump here. Okay, no problem. You are writing. Okay, fine. What I am doing is this is one is going to jump now. CH3 double bond O, CH I am not touching, COH double bond CH2. This hydrogen moving here. I am not going to disturb this one. I am going to disturb this one with this alpha hydrogen. This hydrogen is jumping here. From which side it is going to jump? That side double bond form over. If it is jumping, this alpha hydrogen jumping here also, similar structure only will come. Out of this, when you are going to consider this keto form and these two are enol forms. See that whenever these forms you are going to consider, this hydrogen is there now. This oxygen, observe carefully. This oxygen and this hydrogens. There is a hydrogen bonding forming in between this. This oxygen of keto group, this H of alcohol group. Here again, this hydrogen I am going to write for my convenience here. At the time, these two enol forms are more stable than this. These two enol forms are enol forms are more stable than this. In this case, first reason is due to what? Attached multiple bond system, conjugate system. One reason. Second one is what is that? Hydrogen bonding. Second one is hydrogen bonding. Here, enol form of acetone after treating with the ketone. Enol form of acetone first of all, this is acetone. CH3 C double bond O CH3. We know how to write the enol form. Alpha hydrogen is going to jump here. I am writing here CH3 C OH. This side double bond CH2. Here, when you are going to react with the D2O like a water, D plus OD minus, D plus OD minus. Here, D plus can replace this hydrogen. Here, this is the acidic hydrogen. This can replace. What is forming here? CH3 C. Here, what is that? This H can replace with D. This is the product we are going to get because this is the acidic hydrogen. This hydrogen can come out, and the hydrogen coming out, this D plus can substitute the H plus part. Other one, ethyl acetoacetate. Other one is ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate. See that acidic acid. What is that? CH3 C double bond O. Ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate. Acetoacetate, see that. CH3 C double bond O. CH2 C double bond O. C2H5. This ethyl acetate, see that. How I can write it? Acetic acid, this part now. Acetic acid. Now other acetic acid molecule I am taking, like this, like this. See that. Here, OH from here, H from here. Both are removing means what is coming? Water and coming means CH3 C double bond was CH2 attached like this. Like this you can remember. Ethyl means ester format will come. Ethyl aceto, acetate. That is the thing. Okay. Enol form of this. Enol form you have to write. Enol form means what is that? This one or this one. Any one format we can write. This one. This is the keto form. These are the alpha hydrogens. This is the keto form. These are the alpha hydrogens. These are the alpha hydrogens. Any one we can take. Which are more acidic? These are the more acidic comparatively with this. Because you are removing this H plus means what will happen? CH3 C double bond O, CH minus sign, C double bond O, H5 means what is that? H plus coming out. This minus can be replaced, can be stabilized by this withdrawing group and this withdrawing group. They can withdraw, so they can stabilize this one. That is why hydrogen is going to release from this. Here also you can release, here also you can release, but this is coming first to release because after releasing H1 it is getting more stable. So what I am going to write now? What is enol form? This H plus is coming here. What I am writing correctly now? CH3 C double bond O here, C H double bond C OH O CH2 CH3 here. Here what is the question generally asking is in what is that? In enol form of ethyl acetoacetate, how many sigma and pi bonds are there? We have to collect here. How many sigma bonds are there? CH3, 3 sigma bonds, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13 and 14, this is 15. Here 3 are there, 15 plus 3, 18. 18 sigma bonds are there, you are going to collect. This is a previous year question, ABMP question. And after that, pi bonds how many are there? You can see in this one, not in this format. They are asking number of sigma and pi bonds in enol form of ethyl acetoacetate. Enol form only how many double bonds are there? One pi bond. This is other pi bond. Only 2 pi bonds are there. This is the previous year question, 8th question. And now here, which of the following can exhibit the keto-enol tautomerism? What I need, my condition is alpha hydrogen must be there. Alpha hydrogen is there, there is a possibility. It is my keto group. Here any alpha hydrogen is there? No. Here any alpha hydrogen is there? Carbon already having. What is that? 1, 2, 3 are there. Here alpha hydrogen is there, na? Yeah, if alpha hydrogen is there, it is going to jump here means what is going to form here? What is going to form here? Double bond is going to form here. See that. What I am going to write like this. Forming. I am not going to disturb this. This already bond is there. This H is going to jump here means here other bond is going to form. Here OH coming. Side by side 2 double bonds are not happening. Not possible. So that it is not exhibiting keto-enol tautomerism. And here double bond. Here 2 alpha hydrogens are there. So that it can exhibit. Here this side also how many alpha hydrogens are there? 2 alpha hydrogens. This side how many alpha hydrogens are there? 2 alpha hydrogens. Alpha hydrogens means hydrogens attached to the carbons which is next to the functional group. Which is next to the this is alpha carbon next to the functional group. This is alpha carbon next to the functional group. This alpha carbon 2 alpha hydrogens. This alpha carbon 2 alpha hydrogens. This is also functional group. This is alpha carbon. How many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens. This is alpha. This is the functional group. This is alpha carbon. How many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens. So here it is a possibility to exhibit the keto-enol tautomerism. Here double bond O. Here what is that? This side no alpha hydrogen. This side what is there? Any alpha hydrogen is there? Not there. This side. This is a keto group. This one is a alpha carbon. How many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens. So that it can exhibit. This only not exhibiting keto-enol tautomerism. Finally, ring chain. This is a very rarely asking, but we have to learn this. Here, what is that? Keto form is here. hydrogen has to come here. Like remaining things only, but here what group is there? Some alkyl amide group is there. Alkyl derivative amide group is there. Anyway, this is my keto form. So keto form converting into enol form. How can it is going to convert? See, I am not going to disturb the ring here. Ring as it is. Double bond O. This H is coming this side. From this side is coming, there will be a link. But I am writing here. This side minus, this is plus. H plus N minus. N minus, this both are going to make a bond here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 member ring is going to form. I am writing here, you see. See double bond O. N. I am not going to disturb this one. This H plus coming to OH. Here what is there? That here. This O and H I am writing. This bond is going to break. This H plus is coming here. This H plus is coming here. This is going to make a new bond. Just H plus coming here, new bond forming like previous one. Similarly, this H plus can jump. This is keto form. So that this H is coming to here. There is a new connectivity. What is that? I am not going to disturb the remaining ring. Here, double bond O. O it is going to jump here. Here, where it is jumping? Here it is going to jump. By taking electron from oxygen, it is coming here. What I can write? This oxygen and a double bond is there, no double bond. Here and here, but there is a connectivity. Here, this H is coming here. OH. This and all I am not doing. So that this is a what is it? Ring chain tautomerism. Here also tautomerism only taking place. Here only H is going to migrate from acidic group to keto group. From which side hydrogen jumping, there only bond is forming. Here also from which side hydrogen is moving, from there only bond is forming. There only bond, here connectivity, that connectivity. So I am saying this is a ring chain. Ring is forming in this tautomerism. So that ring chain tautomerism, it is what the deep explanation about tautomerism. This is important for the NEET examination. Okay.